Hey guys, here in Miller 7.2 example 3, we're going to simplify the expressions by using the properties of rational exponents. Write the final answer using positive exponents only, and that will always be the case. We only want positive exponents. So here, if I have y to the 2/5 times y to the 3/5, that's y to the 2/5 plus 3/5. Which is y to the 5/5 or y to the first power. Here in part B, if we raise a power to a power, we need to distribute this fourth power to all of my exponents. So 4 multiplied by 1/2 is s squared. 4 multiplied by 1/3 is 4/3. And 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. Divided by 4 leaves w to the third power. Once again, we're going to use these same properties. Now, let's see, 81 divided by 3 is 27. So I'm going to see that I can simplify these two first to make it 27. So now I want to simplify what's inside my parentheses. So this is c to the first power. 1 minus -2 makes c to the third. And then -2 minus 4 makes d to the -6th power. And that's all to the 1/3 power. So we don't like negative exponents. So that's 27 c to the third over d to the 6th to the 1/3 power. So I know that the 1/3 power is the cube root of 27. The cube root of 27 is 3. And now I'm going to multiply my exponents. 1/3 times 3 is c to the first, and 1/3 times 6 is d squared. All right, let's move down to part D. X to the 1/2 times x to the 3/4. Well, that'll be x to the 1/2 plus 3/4. Now remember, in order to add fractions, they must have common denominators, which in this case is 4. So that'll multiply this one by 2/2. That's x to the 2/4 plus 3/4. So that's x to the 5/4 power. In E here, I'm raising a power to a power, so I need to distribute this 6th power to all three. 6 times 1/3 makes a squared. 6 times 1/2, b cubed. 6 times 5 is c to the 30/8. Now 30/8 can simplify. They're both divisible by 2. So I have a squared b cubed over c to the 15/4. All right, great. Last one. Let's see. I probably was supposed to have an exponent here, but let's see what happens. Let's make this the 1/4 power. I don't know what it was. Let's see what happens. So first, 32/2 simplifies to make 16. 2 minus -2 makes y to the 4th. And here, these z to the -3, I'm going to move that down to my denominator to make z to the 8th power. And that's all to the 1/4. So 1/4 power is the same as the 4th root of 16, which is 2. 1/4 times 4 is y to the 1st, and 1/4 times 8 is z squared. So we'll be using rational exponents and properties of exponents together.